Hi, this is Ayan Ahmed, and I have selected the internship on web development. And the topic which I have selected is Restaurant Management System, and the title of my project is Mahir Restaurant. So let's go to my project. First of all, I will open the XAMPP server, and I will go to the admin page. And the languages which I have used for my restaurant is PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL. And this is my database, and it consists of 9 tables, and each table consists of different attributes. Like in admin, I have given the admin ID and password so that admin can log into the admin page of the restaurant. And in the menu section, I have given different food items so that a user can order it from the menu. So now let's go to my project. This is the home page of my project. In the header section, I have given this restaurant Mahir, new user, login, home, menu, gallery, about us, contact us, and review. In the home page, different functionalities are there, like menu is given, then this is the about us, then the gallery is given also, then customer reviews is also given, and in the footer section, this is about us, contact information, and the opening hours of the restaurant. And this project is developed by me, like Ayan Ahmed. And this is the button. If we click on this, then it will go directly go went us to the take us to the top. So I will show you the other functions. This is the special menu. Here different items are mentioned: gravy, bihari, rice, tawa, other things. Customer reviews is also given in the menu. Then in the gallery, different pictures of the restaurant is given. Then about us, this is a little story about the Mahir restaurant. Then contact information about Mahir restaurant, email, mobile, and location. And the review, a user who likes the food, then they can give the review here. So now suppose a new user wants to order something, then he or she just need to register himself or herself to the site, and they just need to create a user ID, their password, and they need to give the email address. I'm already an existing user, so I just need to log in. So in the login section, I just need give the user ID, then password. So login. So it will greet us with hi Ayan. So hi user. So I just need to go to menu. In the menu, I have added this tab, which will automatically come when we move our cursor on the food items, and it will show the name of the main food and the details of the food, which like details of the ingredients or the method which is used to make this food. It is mentioned in every section here also, in the rice section also, in tawa, everywhere. Suppose I need to order plow, so I will add it to the cart. So this is add to cart, and there's the product ID is mentioned, then user ID and the price of the food. So I just want to order one plate, so I will give one. I will add it to the cart. So our data is added to the cart successfully. I just need to go to this cart section. So here two items are mentioned, like two plates of plow, but I just need want to order one plate. So because two are already there, because I have already added it to the cart, so I just added it because I just need to show the delete function. Like we can delete here, delete successfully, and I just need to order one plate. So I will go to checkout. The user who wants to order food, they just need to give their details like name, mobile number, email address, and address. So I will give my details. Ayan, mobile number 346, enter email address, and then address. I live in Bihar, so I will give Bihar. So suppose if someone gives 9 number, then it will not confirm order. It will say please match the requested format. So I will just give one ad and confirm order. So order placed successfully, and the user who have ordered can contact us on this number regarding their delivery. So now, suppose a user liked our food. So in the menu, I have already given the review section. Here, the other users can see the reviews like Shreya, Namish, and Ali. Like three have given their reviews. So if someone like named Sarkar wants to give Sarkar, he wants to give excellent and message. The food was awesome. Send message. Then it will automatically update in the menu here: Shreya, Namish, Ali, and Sarkar. So here the review function works.